How to enable focus mode on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set it up under modes and routines to block distracting apps and stay focused when you need to. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Modes and Routines. After that, tap Modes at the top. At this point, you'll see a few preset modes to choose from, like Work, Sleep, or Do Not Disturb, or you can tap the plus icon to create your own custom one. From here, tap on whichever mode fits what you're trying to do, or tap Add Mode if you're creating a new one from scratch. Following this, tap Apps to hide notifications from, or look for the option to block specific apps depending on which mode you select, and choose which apps you want restricted while it's active. After that, scroll down and tap Turn On Automatically if you want this mode to activate at specific times or locations, or leave it off if you'd rather turn it on manually. From here, once everything is set, tap the mode from the main list to activate it straight away. At this point, your selected apps will be restricted according to the rules you set for that mode. Finally, to turn it off, just tap on the active mode again from the same Modes and Routines page and select Turn Off. That's how you enable focus mode on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!